Welcome viewers. Hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss on some error correction in English language, English sentences, which is one of the most toughest portion I think in English language. You should be having good command in grammar, vocabulary and spelling. One thing more, to know grammar is one thing and apply it properly is different thing. You need lot of practice. So let's start. I will discuss on 10 sentences in this class. The first sentence is, being a destitute, I admitted him to an old people's home. 4%, being a destitute, 1%, I admitted him, second person, to an old people's homes, third person, and no error, T. So find out the error. The error is in the first person, he being a destitute. Why being is used as a participle. So participle need a noun. So the noun is he being a destitute. So the correct sentence would be starting like that. He being a destitute, I admitted him to an old people's home. The second sentence, either of the girls, first person, in the class are not, second person, as diligent as Nitu, third person, no error, B. So either of the girls in the class are not as diligent as Nitu. Find out the error. The error is in the first portion of the sentence. Either, neither, many, followed by singular verb is, not are. So the correct sentence would be, either of the girls in the class is not as diligent as Nitu. The third sentence, the man cannot live by bread alone. The man cannot live by bread alone. Find out the error. Yes, the error is in the first portion, first word of the sentence. Omit the, because here man is used as a common noun, not particular. General man, man cannot live by bread alone, not the man. We are not discussing, we are not denoting the particular man, just common man. Fourth sentence, the reason for his failure is because he did not work hard. The first person, the reason for, second person, his failure is because, third person, he did not work hard, and last person, no error. Find out the error. Yes, replace the word because by that. Because we know that the reason for his failure denotes because, not because, that. We have to write that. The correct sentence would be, the reason for his failure is that he did not work hard, not because reason reflected by that. So double reason, because reason, double reason is not required here. Sentence number 5, unless you do not listen to his advice, I am not going to help you. Unless you do not listen to his advice, I am not going to help you. Find out the error. Yes, the error is in the first portion of the sentence. You know, the word unless itself a negative word. So you need not to use do not. So omit, remove do not. Write the correct sentence like that. Unless you listen to his advice, I am not going to help you. Sentence number 6. Through his inspiring speech, the officer maintained the morally of the personnel in his division. Find out the error. Here the error is in the word personnel. The correct spelling of the word personnel is PERSONNEL, not personal. Personal private property, personal property. But here the personnel is, you maybe listen CRPF personnel, Army personnel, BSF personnel, the personnel. Question, sentence number 7. It being rainy day, we decided not to go out but to stay at home and watch a movie. Find out the error. The error is in the first portion of the sentence, it being a rainy day. Just a day, you have to use a determiner, and the correct determiner is A. It being a rainy day, we decided not to go out but to stay at home and watch a movie. Use a rainy day. Sentence number 8. One of the most widely spread bad habits is the use of the tobacco. One of the most widely spread bad habit is the. So find out the error. The error is in the word habits. One of the most widely spread bad habits, not habit. So replace the word habit by habits. Add S. Next sentence. The population of China is greater than that of India. The population of China is greater than that of India. Find out the error. The population of China is greater not than India. It is not correct, because if you comparison is not India and China but the population, so you have to write the population of China is greater than that of. You have to add two word that of after then. So correct sentence would be like that. The population of China is greater than that of China. The last sentence. All the competition completed the race with just one exception. Find out the error. The error is in the last word of the sentence. The spelling of the word exception is incorrect. So the correct spelling of the word exception is EXCEPTION. So that's all for today's class. Meet you in the next class. Try to practice in that way so you can achieve your goal. Thank you very much. Meet you again. Thank you.